Paano yung mukha mo pag malungkot?
Ay.
Yung mukha mo pag nasaktan ng puso? Yung mukha mo pag binabalikan ka, gusto mo pa pero wag na lang. Paano ulit?
Humila.
Paano yung mukha mo pag nakasalubong mo yung jowa mo pero gusto mong sabihin, eto nga pala yung sinayang mo?
I found a love for me. Darling, just dive right in. Follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Well, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love. Not
Kapag mahal mo ang isang tao, gaano man kalayo yan sa'yo, kakayanin mo. Hindi man kayo madalas magkita o magkasama, titiisin mo. Dahil ang pag-ibig ay hindi nakikita sa layo o lapit, kundi sa puso at pagtitiwala.
It's your smile, your face, your lips that I miss, and the sweet little lies that stare at me and make me stay.
Where are you going? Where are you staying? I've made up my mind that I will never regret. A lesson for me and a lesson to you.
Kung kaya kong iwanan ka, di na sana asa pa. Kung kaya kong umiwas na, di na sana lalapit pa. Mahal pa rin kita.
What I got to do to make you love me? What I got to do to make you care? What do I do when lightning strikes me? And I wait to find that you're not there.
I've loved you forever, in lifetimes before, and I promise you never will you hurt anymore. You're hopeless romantic is what they say, falling in out of love just like a play, memorizing each line, I still don't know what to say, what to say. Don't know what to do whenever you want it, don't know what to say, my heart is floating in tears. When you pass by I could fly. Though I'm wide awake, I know my dream is coming true. And oh, I just fall in love again. Just one touch and then it happens every
me here, as if somebody led my hand. Ikaw ang tangi kong iniibig, ikaw ang aking mahal, magpakailanman. Dito sa aking puso, wala nang papalit sa isang katulad mo. Kahit na magpakailan pa man.
Through the frozen tears, it was hard through the years. I'll never give up, never want.
I was afraid this time would come. I wasn't prepared to face this kind of